New Mark Cuban company slashes high drug prices.
I thought this was cool.
This is life-changing. Oh, go ahead, Mo.
No, I thought this was a cool
Since
story.
you jumped all over it there, I'm going to back off. I'll push my microphone out of the way. Go ahead, Mo.
Well, we should read the article because I just I just read the title and I skimmed through it, and I thought it was cool enough to talk about. But from what I got, essentially, Mark Cuban opened a company where he is selling like life-saving drugs. Apparently, there's like 15 life-saving drugs on there for a 15% markup, which is like industry. It's not a standard in the industry. Like a minimum is 100% markup. They showed examples in here of like what other people or what other companies charge and what he charges. The only small thing I would mention is that I read somewhere that you can't pay for it with insurance, because if you did, then he'd have to agree to
mark it up.
Exactly. Because the insurance companies have like standards of what things should cost. So I don't know. I thought this was amazing. You can get like life-saving drugs for a reasonable price.
How many shares do you own in this company?
I don't think this is a public company.
That was a joke. Here's an example. He says, our cost for albendazole is $26.08 per course. We mark that price up by 15% so we can continue to run the company and invest in disrupting the pricing of as many drugs as we possibly can. He explained that makes the base price of the drug $30. Then we add on the actual cost, $3, that our pharmacy partners charge us to prepare and provide the prescription to you. That makes the sales price on this website $33, far, far lower than the pricing available in the marketplace. I actually use this pharmacy, and it's the only reason I'm able to still get my medications. It's legit. This is some commenters. I think this is one of those things where there's a lot of people who would applaud such a behavior. You can get a lot of fans turning down the price on this stuff, especially the type of medication that people need to live.
Yeah.
He's the opposite of Martin Shkreli, right? Remember that guy?
You're talking about the anti-Shkreli?
Yeah.
All he needs now is that Wu-Tang record to be all set.
He should, yeah.
Explaining the business model, Cuban cited the drug prescribed for hookworm. Oh, that's the one he's saying $26 per course. It can cost otherwise as much as $500 per course.
So, like, my God, that is not a tiny jump down. That's a massive leap down.
Mm-hmm.
Shout out Omar. Shout out Samir. He's waiting for the Lou Later merch that says buy high, sell low. The buy high, sell low t-shirt.
Right.
That's a great shirt.
Which, of course, we pioneered.
Mm-hmm.
There's over 1 million sold.
Right.
They're just not... it's only for the exclusive high-tier Lou Later community members.
What do they have to do?
Known as the High Council.
Oh, known as the High Council. I see.
There's 1 million of them, though, because they just own, each one of them owns a couple thousand of those shirts. Buy high, sell low. The Mo program. Investment advice. This is not investment advice.